Here's how it works. When the robot docks, a rotating arm with a spray nozzle enters and rinses out the filter basket. Then push rods open up the basket, pull out the debris, and seal everything back up. The whole thing is completely automated, and it's powered by an industrial-grade screw shaft that handles the job every day. Cleaning performance comes first. Through AI upgrades and optimizations of side brushes and rubber scraping blade, overall cleaning efficiency has been increased by 30%.
My job is to spot problems before they happen. Because this is such an advanced R&D product, fully automated, running underwater for years, the bar for safety and reliability is set really high. We don't just run standard tests, we actually develop our own testing protocols. We design extreme stress tests, tweak components specifically for underwater conditions, and run long-term system tests. The goal is straightforward: build something reliable, keep it safe, make it last, and give users a product they can trust completely.